佢令世界睇到中國功夫，佢令大家知道中國人唔係病夫，佢就係李小龍。今日我哋嚟到李小龍樂園參加我哋2025嘅龍迷大會暨李小龍85週年嘅誕辰。咁今日我哋嚟到呢度咧，唔單止係紀念呢位世界巨星，亦都係傳承佢嘅自強不息精神。咁順德漁村咧，亦都係我哋軍安文旅促進會嘅常務副會長單位。今日我亦都非常榮幸可以代表順德漁村嚟參加今次嘅活動。第一陣咧，亦都有機會同唔同嘅代表進行交流。當然啦，我都係李小龍嘅粉絲，所以今日亦都非常興奮可以同偶像打卡。今日嚟到呢度，真係感覺陽氣係十分足。見到未？見到未？同埋大家打招呼都係變成咗咁樣嘅一個 pose， 隨時隨地都有人打功夫。
剛剛看你打雙截棍，打功夫打得非常精神。您是習武多少年了？25
年了，我是李小龍第2代真傳弟子，6、7歲就喜歡李小龍。我每次到香港維多利亞港就會去李小龍那裡。
他最吸引你的點是什麼？
一種精神，我感覺他一直在我們身邊，就是一直就沒有走。我第一次來到這裡，我就是給李小龍打個招呼，我現在快哭了。
這麼多年來，這份喜愛一點都沒有減少，
一直在我心裡面。我的信仰就是李小龍。
而家係各大方陣出場，好似武俠大片裏邊啲比武大會嘅感覺，而且真係好似李小龍《截拳道》裏邊嘅哲學所講，其實咧佢係冇分點樣界別，大家都係可以求同存異。而家嚟到呢度嘅唔單止係李小龍嘅 fans， 仲係李小龍嘅信徒。佢哋嚟呢度係有一種朝聖嘅感覺咯，向佢哋嘅偶像，向李小龍先生同埋向李小龍嘅精神致敬。犀利！啱啱睇完咁精彩嘅武術表演咧，而家帶大家嚟睇下我哋嘅功夫藝術展。大家最中意李小龍嘅邊部電影呢？咁我自己咧最中意嘅就係佢嘅精武門啦。咁佢嗰一腳咧就係踢出咗我哋中國人嘅精氣神。我自己細個咧都有功夫夢啊，所以今日嚟到呢度咧就等於好似圓咗夢咁樣啦。參加嘅呢種文旅活動咧，同我哋一路去傳播嘅非遺，其實係有異曲同工之妙嘅。好似嶺南嘅武術咁樣，佢唔單止係一招一式，佢更加多嘅大家嘅一個集體嘅回憶同埋文化嘅印記。所以我覺得我哋而家要去傳承嘅，佢唔單止係我哋嘅傳統嘅武藝，更加多嘅係用點樣嘅形式可以令到而家嘅年輕人佢更加好咁樣去了解到。
As for Bruce Lee, is it his spirit or his kung fu attracts you?
He was the first big leading role Asian artist in Hollywood. I mean, there have obviously been films in the 50s and 60s with Asian actors, but he was the first one to like have a global smash hit. Outside of just the kung fu, that's a philosophy that runs much deeper. So whenever you see interviews with him, or like even when he trained with Muhammad Ali and things, it's so cool to get to see how he talks. Like,
It's like build a bridge and let foreigners to know more about Eastern culture.
Yeah.
Are you a fan of Bruce Lee?
Of course.
Yeah.
I'm a professional fighter and coach.
Yeah.
All people in my area is fan of Bruce Lee. Impossible you are not fan of Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee is a legend. And not only expertise in the practice, more expertise in practice and in theory. He write many books. This is very important for the marketing and the schools of the combat sports in the world.
So you also read his books or learn his philosophy?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
He write a philosophy.
Yeah.
Disclose the marketing martial arts for all the world.
Yeah.
This is a very, very, very important work.
咁好似李小龍喺佢嘅武術表達出嚟嘅思想一樣啦，以無形為有形，以無限為有限。其實呢一種思想嘅源泉咧，都係嚟自於我哋呢一方以水為生嘅土地。咁水唔單止滋養咗我哋順德人，更加滋養咗我哋嘅順德文化同埋順德精神。所以 ，Be water, my friend.
Be water, my friend.